How to locate an AirTag using your iPhone. AirTags are like tiny superheroes for your stuff, swooping in to save the day by tracking down your luggage, purse, or anything else you decide to tag along. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to locate an AirTag using your iPhone. Now let's get started. To find your AirTag using your iPhone, begin by opening the Find My app. If you don't have it or accidentally deleted it, you can download it for free from the App Store. In the menu at the bottom of the Find My app, select Items. You'll then see a list of all the AirTags linked to your Apple ID, along with their locations on a map. Tap on an AirTag to see more details and tools to help you locate it. You can play a sound on the AirTag to help you figure out where it is. You can also use the Find Nearby tool once you're close enough. This feature helps you pinpoint the exact location of your AirTag when you're within a few meters. Follow the arrow directions, and the sound from the AirTag will guide you to its exact spot. If you still can't locate your AirTag, you can enable Lost Mode. This allows you to add your contact details and a short message. If someone finds your lost item with the AirTag, they'll be able to reach out and return it to you. And that's all it takes to locate an AirTag using your iPhone. For more useful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.